Hello, and welcome to Morpholio Trace. Have you ever wished that you could have a live 3D model inside your sketchbook? And that it would automatically generate perspective lines for you? And that you could fly between any view you want? Well, now you can. Whether you're an architect, interior designer, landscape architect, or industrial designer, Trace gives you limitless views to sketch over. Sketching on 3D models is perfect for creating floor plans, exterior perspectives, elevations, diagrams, sections, landscape planting plans, markups, axons, interior perspectives, details, and so much more. Let's check it out. To begin, tap the plus button to start a new project and select 3D model. You can bring in files from your favorite 3D model software including Revit, Vectorworks, SketchUp, AutoCAD, Rhino, and more. Just export an OBJ or USDZ file. Then, navigate to your file in your cloud storage of choice. When you select it, a new Trace project will be created with your 3D model inside. Now it's time to frame your view to sketch over. Use natural gestures to orbit, zoom, and pan. Switch your view mode to ortho for top and side views to draw scaled plans, elevations, or sections. Use POV to dive into the interior spaces. You can more precisely control your position, and when you pan with one finger, it's like rotating your head rather than orbiting the scene. For perspectives, you can turn on the 2-point perspective lock to make sure your vertical edges are truly vertical. In settings, you can also adjust your field of view. Use the higher numbers to widen your frame, or slide down to 10 degrees for a near axonometric telephoto view. Here's where things jump to the next level. In Trace, you can also get precise shadows to sketch with. Shadow Maker uses real sun coordinates using the sun position algorithm developed by the Alliance for Sustainable Energy, letting you design with hyper-accurate light and shade for any time and place. If you want a quick setup, you can use these sliders to explore different sun angles. For greater precision, you can adjust the north direction of your model manually or input a specific angle. Then, set your project location by inputting an address or just panning to the area where your project is. You can even set the exact date and time to see exactly how the shadows will change throughout the day. This amazing tool lets you see precisely where the morning light will enter the kitchen, or how your courtyard will be shaded throughout the day. Once your view is locked in, tap the back button to start sketching. For perspective views, Trace sets up an auto-generated perspective grid for you, including vanishing points and a drawing guide that will help you draw beautiful perspectives that perfectly align with your view. You can also turn off this guide in your settings, and your lines will still snap to the perfect perspective. These tools make it so easy to make beautiful drawings. For plans, elevations, and sections using ortho mode, if your model isn't automatically scaled, you can easily set it up. Just tap Set Scale in the wrench, move the crosshairs to a known dimension, and input the measurement. When you turn on your ruler, you'll see your entire view is precisely calibrated. This helps draw scaled floor plans over a 3D model with confidence and accuracy. It's so easy to draw over your 3D model from perspectives to plans and beyond. When you finish your drawing, tap the cube icon here to return to your 3D model. If you want to add more views to sketch over, just tap New View and then Set a New View. Now, here's the really fun part. Simply tap any preview and your view will fly to that drawing. This is one of the most incredible ways to present your work to a client or teammate. You can see how you can make all of these different drawings right on top of the same 3D model. Fly through an interior model from perspectives to elevations to a floor plan. Or fly through a house model from a diagram to section to perspective. Once your sketches are done, you're ready to export. From the 3D model viewer, you can export all your drawings as a single PDF drawing set to email out. You can also share the whole working project file, including the 3D model and all the layers in each drawing, so a collaborator can keep adding to your drawings. If you open a single drawing, you have a few more options. From here, you can export as a PDF, image, Photoshop file, or even as vector line work so you can continue working on your design in your favorite CAD software like Vectorworks, SketchUp, AutoCAD, Revit, and more. If you don't have a 3D model yet, don't worry, you can generate one. Use the AI Room Scanner in Trace to scan your space to create a scaled 3D model, set infinite views, and then sketch right on top of it. Go from real space to sketch ready in seconds. To learn more, watch the full tutorial linked in the caption below. Sketching on 3D models is perfect for architects, interior designers, landscape architects, and product designers. We can't wait to see what you draw on top of your 3D models, so tag us when you share your work so we can feature it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Trace tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other how-to videos.